Hey guys, I'm James, Master Instructor of the Ding King Training Institute here in California. And with me I've got 3 of our most recent graduates and soon-to-be graduate. And the reason why I say this is because Miss Karen here is going to be headed out to our Denver campus to finish up her PDR training in a couple of weeks. So along with Karen, I've got Daniel and I have Matt with me. Where are you guys all from?
Fort Collins, Colorado.
Mexico City.
Olivia, Minnesota.
Now you guys have all taken our PDR course, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, and you're going to be doing 2 weeks, finishing up our 2-week course. Now, what were you guys' thoughts just right off the bat coming into this? Neither one of you guys had any experience doing paintless dent repair before, correct?
Correct.
I had a little bit, practicing myself.
Now, how was it compared to, what we were doing here and showing you guys on your first day versus what you were trying to
Not being able to understand the light, reading the dent, and how to tap down and where to push, and discovering your highs and lows in the dent.
So basically all of paintless dent repair. So, I mean, trying it on your own versus what we were doing here, I mean, obviously things were a little bit different. They're explained to you a little differently, and you actually got a good understanding, right?
Yes, I like the science behind it all compared to what I know from the body shop.
And taking these 2 weeks here in class with us obviously put you way ahead of where you would have been trying to figure it out on your own.
Yep.
Now, where do you see yourself, Daniel, after 3 weeks of paintless dent repair?
Well, I was not a car guy, so this is all new for me. But I have learned a lot in 3 weeks. I have to keep practicing, but I have learned a lot.
Now, what did you do before coming to class here? What was your job?
Well, I'm a project manager,
Okay.
so this is not what I do, but I want to start my own business, so that's why I came here.
And now for you, Karen, this was something obviously totally new to you also. What did you do previously to this?
Well, I have a background in product design, worked in corporate, and I am currently a motor coach operator. So looking at doing something that can be self-employment, and my goal is to do hail repair. So, yeah.
Well, you're in the right spot, sitting there in Colorado. There's a lot of hail there. Now, how would you rate yourself versus your first day coming into this? Because I know you did a lot of research before you came out to our school. So you knew a lot of the products and the industry, and you've seen some of the videos online, and like I said again, you did a lot of the research. Now, actually coming here and doing it, how would you compare yourself to your first day versus where you're at now and what you know now?
I think it would be nearly impossible for somebody to learn this on their own, even with videos, because there's no difference. I mean, you can't make up the difference of having somebody telling you there's so many subtle details that having you guys help and point out, even you're holding the tool wrong, you need to move this way. I wouldn't have known how to do those things. So I would say the first day was really challenging. Every day I've gotten better. I guess my confidence in what I can do has increased. Obviously, there's a lot to learn just from practice and experience, but yeah.
Obviously, this is just the beginning, and there's always something new that you can learn. Myself being in this 22 years now, almost 23, I learn something new every day. I learn things from guys that just graduated recently within the past couple of weeks that call me up and they discover new things on a new type of car that I have yet to work on, or new braces, or whatever it is. You're always learning in this industry. And you have to keep that open mind and just know that you're never gonna max out at this. You're always gonna be learning something new, and it's constantly changing and evolving. Now, you, Matt, you do body and collision currently, right?
Used to.
Now, is this something you're going to be used to? So you're going to be incorporating this into the bodywork, or is it something that you're going to just be going full speed ahead and just doing paintless dent repair?
Full speed ahead with PDR and then detailing back in my dealership where I work.
Okay.
Be in-house tech.
Now, I know you two had an opportunity. You guys looked into different schools, or did you do any other research on other schools? And if you did, why did you decide to come to the Ding King?
Definitely did research on a lot of different schools, and the reason that I chose to come to Ding King was because of the level of professionalism and everything that I saw, from the information to the videos, and also I definitely asked a ton of questions even before I decided to come, So I actually went and visited Lee at the Denver training facility just to see what it was like, and that gave me a pretty big impression on things. And looking at the other schools, I don't know, you guys just stood out as being the highest quality to me when I looked at everything. So I knew for sure that if I took a chance at one of those, that I had the highest degree of confidence I'd get the best education here.
Perfect. Why did you choose us?
Well, I did my research, and in Mexico there are some guys that can teach you, but what I chose from here is that you get a certified. So that's what I came here, because you have you learn from people that has a lot of years here, different styles, but you get certified.
Perfect. So this is the end of it. Hopefully we do keep in contact with you guys. This is the end of your training here, obviously, but hopefully we keep this relationship going, and you guys reach out to us, and like we tell everybody that watches us, call us up. There's no reason for you guys to sit out there and suffer on your own and struggle on your own with your dents. If you guys are having trouble with things, if you guys ever need us, if you guys want to come back for any refresher courses, and that goes to people that have graduated that are watching these classes also, if you want to come back to us and come through some refresher courses or even some more advanced PDR, reach out to us. Dinking is here. This is what we do. We are a training facility. We train people Monday through Friday, all day long, all year round, with the exception of some holidays, of course. But we are here for you guys. This is what we do. Okay. So again, hopefully we will be hearing from you guys, and you guys have an opportunity maybe to come out and check us out and take some of our other courses also. And again, thank you guys for choosing the Dinking. For you guys out there, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. 1-800-304-3464. Look us up on the web at thedinking.com, or check us out on one of our social media platforms, Official Dinking on Instagram, the Dinking Training Institute on our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel, the Dinking channel. And also, make sure you keep checking back, because we do have some really cool trick tools that are coming out here in the near future, along with some other accessories. And we will be posting our booth number at Mobile Tech Expo coming up here pretty soon. So again, from us here at the Dinking, and these guys here, we'll be seeing you guys soon.